Now I want to orient you to some important features in this home page. First off, your VoiceThread home is going to look very different than mine does. Yours is likely blank. What I'd like you to do is to bring your cursor over here on the left to this little tab with the two right-facing carrots. Click on that, and this little sidebar opens. Click on All up here. Under Courses, you should now see the name of your Moodle site. This will happen for any course, any Moodle course you have in which you have added a VoiceThread link. This is the site that we just added the VoiceThread home link to. So that's why it's showing up. This is important to note because when we begin sharing VoiceThreads with the course, we'll be dragging VoiceThreads from here on top of here in order to do that. The next thing that I want you to be aware of is that this is also a space where you create VoiceThreads. I'm going to do that now. Click Create, and the space here in the middle opens up and says Add Media. If you click on it once, it'll show you the different types of things you can add. I'm going to create a simple one-slide VoiceThread, which uses a PDF with one page. I'm going to go and find that on my computer. Give it a name, and click Save. There are different ways to share, but I'm going to go to Home. And this is the VoiceThread that I just created. I want to share that now with my course. Right now, it is private. Nobody else has access to it, and I want my course to be able to have access to it. So I'm going to click and drag it to your Moodle site. This brings up some options, some choices that I can make. I suggest selecting Copy and Share this VoiceThread as opposed to just sharing this VoiceThread. This makes a copy and leaves the original intact so that you can reuse it in the future. Rename it. I also have some choices on how I want to share it or what permissions that I want to give students. Do I want others to be able to only view it? Do I want people to be able to view and make comments on it? Or do I want people to be able to view and comment and be able to edit? The default is view and comment. I'm going to leave it at that. Then I'm going to click Copy and Share. Now, so I can double check my success, I'm going to click Your Moodle site. And now we have this one VoiceThread here. Okay, so this is the end of the quick start, and it is just a quick start to the most basic tasks to get yourself and your students up and running with the use of VoiceThread in your course and Moodle site. We covered how to create a link to VoiceThread home in your Moodle course site. We covered where and how to view personal VoiceThreads and course VoiceThreads on VoiceThread home. We also covered how to share a VoiceThread with your course using the drag and drop method. This is all for now. We'll have more videos like this in the future. Let us know if you have any questions.